Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yesi, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I am going to be playing with dun 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 Oden's Eye times Angelica eyeshadow palette. Hela eyeshadow palette. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alrighty, so I'm so excited. Angelica did this collaboration with Oden's Eye. This is actually how it has a sleeve, and this is how the sleeve is. It's actually in black and white with pops of green. Here it is. Beautiful artwork. And then, like I said, it's a sleeve, and here is in all its glory. How cute is this? And then it has the names of the eyeshadows back here. And this is what the palette looks like. It does have a mirror, which is pretty decent size. That's the mirror right there. And let me take the plastic off. And these are the colors right here. So I've actually never tried anything from Oden's Eye. This is my first time ever buying anything from this brand. So I'm pretty excited. And yeah, this palette is so beautiful. And I had to support Angelica. So yeah, let's jump right in. So I did my eyebrows already with the Anastasia Brow Wiz and the dual powder in Ebony. And then I primed my lids with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. And I set that with translucent powder. That's all I have on the eyes right now. And I actually don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I don't. So just bear with me. So yeah, alrighty. So first color I'm gonna jump in with is, first let me look for a brush. Alright, this one right here. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Sedona Lace EB09, which is like a fluffy brush right here. And I'm actually gonna go in with Goddess, which is this pink color right here. Now, I've also never done a halo eye, and I kind of want to do that. So I'm going to use that color Goddess in the outer part and inner part of my eye. So I'm going to go into the shade right here and apply it to the outer part of the crease. Alright, here we go. Ooh, very pigmented. See that? And I'm not going to bring this up too much, but we're going to use this in the outer part right here. And now I'm going to apply it in this inner part right here. I hope this comes out good. Like I said, I've never done a halo eye, so I'm not sure how it's gonna look, but I'm praying it's gonna look nice. Wow, it's very pigmented. All right. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with another brush. Don't worry, we're gonna blend it out. So now I'm gonna use this is Morphe times Mickey and Friends, this MM3. It's a bullet brush, and I'm using this because I'm gonna be using the color Suit, which looks like this eggplant color right here. I'm pretty sure it's the camera ain't picking it up, but it's a really dark purple, like an eggplant color, but very deep. So I'm gonna grab that And I'm gonna intensify both the outer and inner, but I don't want to cover that pink, so I'm just gonna keep it like right here. Wow, that's very pigmented. You see, like I didn't want to, just a tad bit and a tad bit here. Okay, now that I have that color placed, I'm going to go back in with my Sedona Lace EB09 brush. I use that Goddess color, and I am going to just make sure to reapply that color because I don't want it to go away. I want the color to stay, so, and I don't want to blend too much because I want you to distinctively see the pink and the purple. So, okay, and I'm gonna go in with that color Suit again to intensify that. Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna grab another blending brush, and I am going to apply this color, let's see what the name is, Hela, which is this bubblegum pink right here. And I'm gonna use that to blend out the edges. So this right here. And I'm also gonna connect it now. All right. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a glitter glue. I'm going to go in with my Too Faced glitter glue. I'm going to grab a little bit of this and apply it to the middle of my eyelid. So like right here. Because I'm going, and I'm going to go in with my finger. I'm going to go in with the color Hellfire, which is, actually, let me see. Okay, so I take that back. I'm actually going to go in with the color Double-Sided, which is this color right here. I'm going with my finger. And I'm going to apply that to this middle part right here. Wow, this is beautiful. This shade right here. It has such a beautiful shift. Very beautiful. I'm going to grab a more detailed brush. This is the Morphe x Mickey and Friends MM2 brush. So it's a very small, thin shader brush. I'm going to grab the same shade in Double-Sided. And I'm going to just apply it here so it doesn't look so messy. But it looks really pretty. Like, can you see that? Very, very pretty. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back with my blending brush to make sure everything's blended out. I'm going to go in with that pink shade, Goddess, to make sure we don't lose its intensity. So I'm going to add some more here. Then I'm going to go in with that color Suit with no additional product because it's very intense. I'm going to go over that again to intensify and make sure we didn't lose that color. That shade is really stunning. I'm not sure if the camera is doing this shadow justice, but in person, that double-sided color is so beautiful. So beautiful. Wow. Okay, so this is all I have going on with the eyes. I am going to do my foundation, add some liner, lashes, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. So I'll be right back. And I'm back. So I finished my base and I added some liner, I added these lashes, and this is the final look. What do you guys think? Okay, so I am loving this look. I think it's so pretty. I really do. I mean, so this is my first time doing a halo eye, and I think I did a pretty good job. I mean, not too shabby. I mean, yeah, I actually think I did a pretty good job for my first time. So yeah, I really like this. I really like this palette as well. Yeah, the colors are so beautiful. They're very pigmented. They blend like a dream. Some of the colors did have, well, at least the pinks that I used did have, these two had fallout. So I mean, I don't know how the rest of the palette is, but I mean, for me, it's not a deal breaker. I always do my eyeshadow before the rest of my face. But if, you know, you were wondering, it does have a little bit of kickback with the colors that I used. But yeah, with these three colors, they blended out so seamlessly and they're very pigmented. So go in with a light hand. This double-sided color right here, it looks white in the pan, but it's not. It has a shift. It has a peachy shift. It's very beautiful. I'm sure the camera is not picking it up, but I promise you, like, looking at it in person is so beautiful, and I'm very excited to use this in the summertime. You know, I'm pretty sure once the sun hits, you're probably blind an alien somewhere in space. That's how intense it is. But yeah, I really do recommend this palette. I mean, for my first time trying Oden's eye, I'm pretty content. The palette did sell out, I believe, so at the moment you won't be able to get it, but I think Angelica said they're gonna restock back in May, but it may be the last restock. So if you're eyeing it, you know, I would suggest following Oden's eye or Angelica so you can, you know, purchase it for yourself. But like I said, I really enjoyed the palette. I'm glad I got it. It's really colorful, so you know, come the springtime, you know, having some pops of color, you know, with a neutral eye, that's gonna be, I think all pops of color are coming back. So yeah, that's what I think of the palette. I really love this eye look. I wish I had somewhere to go, but I don't. So yeah, anyways, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you on the next one.